Hey guys, Dustin, Smoking Eagles Rod Shop. We're out here at the car show today, and we're going to be doing burnouts later this afternoon. We got Carmen out here. We got a booth set up with our merch and everything, talking to people, hanging out, just having a good old time. Let's go down here and check out this burnout pad. We're going to be in here about 5 o'clock. That's about 2 hours from now. On wrenching. There's a bunch of really cool cars here. You got a mix of newer stuff, older stuff, a bunch of lowered stuff, a bunch of stuff jacked up in the air. Little mix of everything. It's cool. It's nice. It's different. Got the Hooligan Brothers over here next to us. They're sponsoring the burnouts tonight. So here's the burnout pad we got to put Carmen in. So I'm not sure if we're going to be coming in this way or coming in this way, but we're going to be out here. This isn't like Cletus and Cars. We're not going to be spinning around or anything like that. There's obviously not enough room for Carmen to be swinging around. I mean, I could do it, but not in front of a bunch of people. So, yeah, this is going to be fun. We're going to explode some tires. So we're in line for the Burnout competition here at Warsaw Car Meets 2023. We'll see what Carmen can do. Pretty stoked for the show. We've met a ton of people, a bunch of people subscribed to the channel. Thank you to everyone that showed up. We chatted with, we hooked up with merch. We, got to subscribe to our channel, got stickers, coloring pages, all the cool stuff. It was really fun. And now hopefully we can put some rubber down and some smoke up for you guys. And yeah, enjoy. We got a pretty good crowd out here, as you can see.
Yeah, exactly. Unless they thread it perfectly, they just take me out.
So I guess it's go time, guys. So enjoy. right, guys, we're next for the burnout pad. We'll see what we can do.
Decent. Brian, you load the tires. You didn't load the tires? Jesus Christ.
Hey, everybody who's here, I do appreciate you guys coming out today. I appreciate all the sponsors. You guys are awesome. So first place goes to the 442. Congratulations, you won $1,000 tonight. And I'm sure he wants to say something real quick.
First and foremost, I'd like to say happy birthday to my 8-year-old daughter, Natalie. Thank you guys for coming out. My buddy TJ ran back to the house. I forgot my tires. I forgot the jack and everything. I'd like to thank him. I'd like to thank all you guys for coming out and supporting this group. We've been out here for a little bit. It's fun, I tell you. This is the first time I put the Hoosiers on the back and I blew them both, so. I don't think, maybe I might not have got first, but I was in there for sure. I hope you guys had a good time. You doing this again this year? Yeah, we'll always be back. Hope you see y'all all next time, next 2 times, 3 times, however many times you want to do it. Appreciate you, man.
All right, second place. Colton with the Trailblazer. You want to say anything?
Give a speech, dog. Go, go.
Thank you guys for coming out. Thanks for the Hooligan Brothers for the support and everything like that. You know, great turnout. Love the car show. You guys did great. Thank you guys.
And third place goes to Smoking Eagles.
Hey guys, just want to thank everybody for coming out. Hooligan Brothers for, sponsoring the whole Burnout thing and everything. If you haven't seen us, we're down on the corner. Come down, check us out. Check us out on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, everything. Burnouts are awesome, aren't they? It's a great time. We'll see you guys next year. If there's burnouts, we'll be there. Thanks for coming out.
Hey, can I have you guys bring your cars up to the center? They want to take a picture with.
All right, guys, so burnouts are over. We got third place. It was sweet. It was awesome. There's tire smoke everywhere. Congratulations to first and second place as well. It was a great time. Had tons of fun. We'll be back next year for sure. But what everybody's waiting for, we actually had a raffle today to give away some O'Reilly's gift cards. All they had to do to get in the drawing was subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's that simple, and then write their phone number down so I can call them and give them free stuff. How cool is that? So Chloe said she's gonna volunteer to pull names out of the hat, and then we're gonna give them a call and we're gonna congratulate them on their winnings. So let me get my phone out here and ready. Yeah, but it's a figure of speech to say put your name in the hat, kid. All right, so you want to draw the first name out of the hat? We'll give them a call and congratulate them.
Andrew.
I'm not going to show you guys his phone number because that wouldn't be cool, but I'm going to call him up. We'll try and call him twice if you don't answer. What? Hey, is this Andrew?
Yeah.
Hey, this is Dustin down here, Smoking Eagles Rod Shop.
Oh, yeah, what's going on?
Hey, dude, you won a $25 gift card to O'Reilly Auto Parts.
Oh, nice, bro. Heck yeah.
Yeah.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem. We appreciate you subscribing to the channel and talking to us. All right, man. So,
That's awesome. Yeah, I'll head down that way.
all right, you're still here?
Yeah, I'm still here. I'm over here. Yeah.
Awesome.
By the Burnout pit.
All right, cool. We'll see you in a few.
I appreciate it.
Yep, later, man.
Later. I won this.
Boom. There's our first winner.
Burnout. Okay, so want me to pull another one?
Yep. Okay, draw the next number. Make it happen. Megan. So Megan won this one. So let's give Megan a call.
Yeah, there's a lot of people in here.
Hello? Oh, I thought I heard somebody answer as them talking in.
Hello?
Hello, is this Megan?
Yes, this is she.
Hey, this is Dustin with Smoking Eagles Rod Shop. You won a $25 O'Reilly's gift card.
Did I really?
Yep, absolutely, you did. You're the winner.
Yay, that's so awesome. I'm over at the Juneteenth event, so once I can kind of sleep away, I'll get over there.
Okay, absolutely. We'll be here waiting for you.
Yay, thank you. Awesome.
Yep. Hey, thanks for subscribing and talking with us.
Of course.
All right, see you after a bit.
All right. Bye.
Yep, bye.